are basic rights that everyone should have to lead a free and dignified lives.
After a decade of insurgency in Nepal, the people of Nepal were able to give themselves a constitution, a progressive constitution that guaranteed economic, social and cultural rights as the fundamental rights for the citizens of this country. These rights included right to housing, health, consumer protection, environment, employment, labor, among others.
So while the Constitution made these rights justiciable, in the following years there was very little change in ground reality. iProbono established the Economic, Social and Cultural Rights Fellowship with its local partner organization, Law and Policy Forum for Social Justice, in order to fill these gaps and ensure the rights guaranteed by Nepal's constitution.
As human rights organization based in Nepal, post 2015 constitution, we were looking to work in the area of economic, social and cultural rights. And our major area of work would be capacity building of lawyers so that we could translate the institutionalized economic, social, cultural rights in constitution to practice. We started working collaboratively on workshops and other events. iProbono brought in experts from different jurisdictions, including African countries, United Kingdom, Pakistan, and they shared their expertise with our local lawyers. And from then we started elaborate capacity building program with other local lawyers, and we also brought in a cohort of lawyers each year and trained them in economic, social and cultural rights. iProbono and LAPSOJ both believe that this way we could create a sustainable legal force that would work in translating economic, social, cultural rights locally.
The value of our work was acknowledged when the government of Nepal approached us and Law and Policy Forum for Social Justice to make recommendations and develop legislative policy.
A remunerated 12-month program, the ESCR Fellowship secures these rights via pro bono strategic litigation and policy advocacy. Local and international experts mentor early and mid-career lawyers to develop litigation and policy advocacy that supports the implementation of economic, social and cultural rights in Nepal.
The team of young and energetic lawyers is really impressive. They are doing their best to make a change through employing different techniques. They have done research to identify what were issues in relation to economic, social and cultural rights. They also employed right to information petitions to establish facts. They are currently doing their advocacy, strategic advocacy with the government agencies, and also they are preparing public interest petitions if and when necessary. And I'm very confident that their activism will result in tangible changes in terms of implementation of economic, social and cultural rights.
As an ESCR fellow, my focus was in addressing gender-based discrimination in registration of personal events and in advocating for strategic litigation, research and advocacy work to achieve the highest potential impact in this issue. I drew inspiration from international ESCR jurisprudence while recognizing the existing barriers in Nepal. This fellowship has further made me determined in bringing meaningful changes in the field of human rights and environment.
I became an ESCR fellow to learn about the practicalities involved in the implementation of law. I saw how people at local level are unaware about their legal rights and wanted to find a solution. It gives me great satisfaction to make people aware about their laws and institutions enacted for their benefits.
I am particularly keen on understanding what access to justice looks like for marginalized and vulnerable communities in Nepal. The fellowship has given me a unique opportunities to get mentorship from the experienced lawyer and activists working in this area.